Like, I was not trying to do that. I wasn't trying to be like those girls you see on Instagram and on YouTube that always, yes girl, like I wasn't trying to be like that, but it's getting to me.
I almost fell down a well yesterday, Mom. Uh-huh. I would have died. Huh. A little me?
I got broads in Atlanta. She's a good me in the family.
Don't even think about going out, Cool Angel!
Legacy family. Legacy look like a panda. Going up like a Montana. Honey killers on the
Okay, hello YouTube, and I don't know, maybe I should be louder. Why do I always clap when I'm about to, like, while I'm filming a video? But I'm not sure if that's loud, but I might just need to be louder. And excuse my wig, I don't know how to wear a wig, so yeah, if it keeps lifting up, I'm sorry. I just don't know how to wear a wig, so I'm planning on trying to have my natural hair out sometime soon. And I literally had to shave my underarms because I just wanted to raise my arms. At first I was gonna film and be like, I'm not gonna like raise my arms, but then I guess. But I have music playing in the background, so it might be a little weird, but I don't know. But okay. It requires me. Oh my gosh, why do you keep oh, okay, it's not even there yet. I guess I'm just gonna randomly talk. I don't know, but I don't really know what to talk about. This is why I don't really do chit chat get ready with me's. I feel like if I have a lot to talk about, I'll probably wind up doing a chit chat get ready with me, but I might not even say anything. I'll just probably just do my makeup. I don't know. I have to keep like you guys really don't know how many times I mess up. And then when I'm talking, I feel like I need to focus more on trying to do my makeup instead of like talking. That's why I feel like chit chat get ready with me's is like, I mean, I just have to practice on how to multitask. But yeah, I wonder how everybody's New Year is going so far. Like my New Year's, like I don't know what I want to do right now. I think for my New Year's, I think I just want life to just take me wherever it wants to take me or whatever. I feel like it's more fun that way, and I've realized that it really is fun that way. At first I used to just have it all planned out, like, oh my gosh, I want to do this, I want to achieve this, I want to achieve that. But then I feel like it's okay to have dreams, but I think when you rely too much on it, I think you kind of forget that it's not really gonna go your way completely. Like, even though you might have it all figured out, it's not really gonna go exactly the way how you think it's gonna go. Like, it might go another way. So, and I think you should just like let it be. And I'm learning how to like just let it be. So I'm just saying I don't really have any like New Year's resolutions or anything. I don't really know what I want to do. I think right now it's just to really become more stable in my life, I guess. And I use this brush because it's like I just use it to shade in my eyebrow because it's just faster. And I'm just using like one of my palettes, which is my palette right here. I don't think this palette is okay. I'm willing to like give my money to high-end products because they're better products. Like, your colors pop more. I mean, this is good too, but it's a cheap one, so it's not gonna really be all that good. This is Coastal Scents, and Coastal Scents is good. It's okay in certain colors, but some colors it's just not. No. I'm already experienced with buying drugstore makeup, so I already know how it does. I already know how cheap the colors are and stuff like that. So I just really want to just go ahead and just spend my money for high-end, or just basically save up for high-end makeup, because I don't know. One thing about this eyebrow is just I really cannot, like, this eyebrow is always gonna look different than this one. It's just, I don't know, that's how my face is. since I feel like my face is higher up, just an inch up, and this one's a little inch down. Well, here it's supposed to be sisters, not twins, but sometimes I want it to be twins because like y'all be seeing them girls with perfect eyebrows, and you be like, how? Like that's not fair that you have twins. Like I want twins. Like come on now. I'm just gonna go ahead and actually conceal my eye too, because I'm actually just gonna like bring it up and like, but just like I said, I really don't know what I'm doing, so I'm just kind of like just doing anything. And oh goodness, my concealer's about to fall off my thing. But I'll be really trying to get myself together. Like I'm trying to get my funds together. Like I just know I want to start to really get it together though. Like I just take this brush and just kind of like, you know. Now sorry if I go off topic. It's because when I'm trying to focus, sometimes I can go a little off topic. But you know, but like I was saying, I really was just trying to get myself together and trying to get my funds and everything together. I guess I'm just trying to be a lot more responsible, like trying to be an adult. Like, cause I'm 21. I literally forgot that I was 21 one time. Like, like I was worried so much about what was going on in my life that I was like, oh my gosh, I'm 20 years old and I have to get it together. The next night I find out, like on my video, and because I remember I did a video. Well, I actually forgot that I did a video on me turning 21, and then when I looked at it, I was like, I'm 21, and so I literally forgot my age, and it was like really ridiculous. I love this. I love shading in my eyebrow with this because it just makes everything like fast and easy. Like I'm not gonna sit there and just like, oh my gosh, go with this skinny little brush and constantly keep doing. I don't have time for that. This is so much easier. So girl, if you who's ever doing makeup or trying to learn, use one of these. It'll save you. Like I don't have time for all that skinny brushing. No, I don't have time for that. So, fluffy brush. I'm just gonna like take my Naked palette. I'm just gonna go in with this light shade, and it's called Stranger. 17 was like, I had to learn a lot, and I had to learn how to be more stable because I was very unstable. Like unstable dealing with like guys, relationships, and like and just running around, didn't even know what I wanted to do and stuff. So, and I still don't really know. I mean, it's just, I'm just kind of like trying to go with the flow. Sorry, my skin is not the best. I've actually just gotten it together, actually, because my skin was like really bumpy and like really, really bad. And I still have like spots everywhere, like even around my lips and like on the sides. Like I don't have perfect skin. Like I haven't had perfect skin in a long time. I'm just gonna go with this brown color right here. I said I was going to do something neutral, but then it's turning out to be something else. So whatever I come up with, that's what I come up with. So I'm actually going to like take my finger and actually just go in my lid with it, because I actually like the color for this. So, and it's like I'm going to put the copper in the middle. It's like, it looks like almost like a pinkish copper look. That's cute. I didn't want to do anything too over the top because, just like I said, I am not a beauty guru, and I feel like if I would have done something over the top, I would probably mess up. So just take this as one cute as solid color. So I just didn't want to go over the top, so yeah. I don't know what I'm gonna do like voiceovers, but I don't know. Cause I've been wanting to do voiceovers, but I don't know. I'm really trying to blend it in the middle, so when it comes to doing my wing liner, I don't know. But I'll give it a try. I'll give it a try. Okay, so like I mean, it's okay. It's decent. It's like it's decent. I don't know. Okay, so I have my eyelashes on. I feel like this one is a little weird looking, but it's fine. It's okay. This one, I mean, it's decent. This is how I kind of wear my eyelashes, and because I like to have that kind of like going out like that and up, so like almost like cat eyes. And I realized that if I feel like that fits me, because I would used to wear the whole entire eyelash on my eye, and then I feel like it just would not look right, and I feel like this gives me some kind of look. So I feel like I'm the only one who doesn't like using a sponge. I don't know, I might try it sometime, but I just feel like I don't feel like all that on my face. Like, I feel like it's just time consuming. I really like to have my face real life full coverage. Oh jeez. I actually like this little kind of flat brush because it's actually blending the makeup pretty well. Maybe because it's a new brush and it's clean. So for my forehead, I might take a different kind of brush. I'm gonna take this one instead. I Tarte and Party, and it's kind of like a pinkish. So I'm gonna go with a Becca highlight in Champagne. I'm actually gonna put this in the inner corner of my eye, so I'm just gonna probably take my finger and just kind of like, you know, just.
So I pull up to her house in the morning. It's about 7 a.m. Scheduled dates like they appointments, and I really ain't the lovey type, but you looking fucking hella right. So we get to the Denny's and we order. I smile at her and she put her head up on my shoulder. Then she squeezed me and she said, hey, you tryna be my baby, cause I think I don't answer that. Baby, don't blow up my phone. I don't fuck with that. She call my phone.
I don't quite recommend these lip colors either because they're like very dry on the lips. They're not high end, so.
But I can't.
Okay, so I'm gonna go over top with this purple. Hopefully it goes well. I don't recommend these either. These are kind of like drugstore, so. Y'all see how chapped my lips are? I'm like, oh. So the purple mauve kind of gave it some kind of look, but okay.
She says she love me, she don't mean it, she don't mean it. She pretty, 330, I be.
I feel like lip liner makes it 10 times better. Because my lips are already kind of like perfectly matched and kind of like, I don't know. Okay, so just gonna go in with some more highlighter.
No one understand what goes through my mind. Trapped in a room with all of my demons. It's hard to keep up with this battle to fight. No friends, ayy. Guess that's quicker than the Benz, ayy. No flex, ayy. Won't give a fuck about a bitch, man. She texts me, I don't reply. No one understand what goes through my mind. Trapped in a room with all of my demons. It's hard to keep up with this battle to fight. No friends, ayy. Guess that's quicker than the Benz, ayy.
Don't be fooled. My lips is very chappy, but the lipstick is doing something, blocking, whatever.
Goofy on the track.
She gon' pop it open, she gon' make it pour. Even though I drive a foreign, damn I still feel poor. Sushi on my dinner plate, eating creme brulee, icing on that chocolate cake. That sound like the perfect day. She gon' pop it open.